This is my magazine. It's about football. Explain the Camp Nou. It's the camp of Football Club Barcelona. It's a team, a Spanish team. Here you can see the photos of the camp. There is an interview to Guardiola. Here are the questions, the answers. Here there are some rules of football.
Can you give me one, for example?
Always there are a ball, you have to kick the ball and score a goal in the other goalkeeper. There are referees that say the false corners out of game and line kick. My favorite team is Football Club Barcelona. My favorite football player is Leo Messi.
Okay.
Here there is a biography of Cristiano Ronaldo, and here two of the best football players of the world, Leo Messi and Kaká. And here I explain how to buy the tickets for go to see a match of football.
Can you explain us how to buy a ticket? No, without reading. Explain it to us.
You go to the camp or asking in the camp for the tickets. Do you can see the football or of different sites. There are Tribuna, it's the site on do you see best football, and there are other sites. And here the news. There are two interviews to Bernd Schuster and the new incorporation of Real Madrid, Huntelaar.
Is that all? Perfect.